What's up, Sumolings? We've all been there. You post a job, you get 400 applications, 390 of them are irrelevant. Here's how Airwork solves that in minutes. Airwork is an AI-powered hiring platform that handles everything from posting a job to making the hire. Let me walk you through exactly how it works step by step. It starts with posting a job. Write your own description or let AI generate and optimize it for you. Pick the role, set the requirements, and your job goes live on Airwork's job board, visible to thousands of candidates across 30+ countries. Now here's where most platforms stop. Airwork doesn't. You can attach AI assessments to your job. These are skill tests auto-generated for that specific role. Every applicant is prompted to take the test and scored before they reach your inbox. So instead of guessing who's qualified, you see the numbers. And if you want to filter even earlier, add screening questions. These are knockout questions that block irrelevant applications at the door. Wrong industry, no visa, under the experience threshold, they are deprioritized in your pipeline. But sometimes you need more than just a test score. You need to see how someone actually works. That's what assignments are for. Give candidates a real task, set a deadline, and review their actual output. This is the difference between someone who interviews well and someone who delivers. Now, everything I showed you works only when candidates apply to your job. But what if you need someone faster? Airwork also gives you access to a talent network of over 15,000 candidate profiles across 30+ countries. We also have a top 1% talent pool that is deeply vetted and ready to interview today. You can search, filter, and reach out directly. And everything flows into one ATS. Every applicant, every assessment score, every assignment submission, it's all in one place. Use precision filters to sort by skills, experience, location, or availability. When you find the right person, schedule an interview with one click, no back and forth, no spreadsheets. That's Airwork. Post a job, screen with AI, test with assignments, search a global talent network, and manage everything with one ATS. Every hiring tool you'll ever need in one platform. Sign up today and post your first job for free.